Okay, last but not least, listen. Hey, have you seen this before? Have you seen this before? Two objects, 40 and 20 kilograms, all right, are connected by a massless string that passes over a massless friction. The pulley hangs from the ceiling. Find the acceleration of the objects and the tension in the string. Okay, this is called an Atwood's machine, all right? And this is classic physics 101, all right? So what do we have here? We got a pulley up here. I always have my smaller one on the right, on the left. I don't know why. Big one on the left. All right, what do we got here? What are we talking about, Woo? All right, Al Swearingen. Okay, there we go. Tension, tension. M2G, M1G. You want to solve it like a train? You can do it that way too. Don't forget, you've got an acceleration going this way, and you've got a positive acceleration going that way. The easiest way to do it, put it all in one line. In fact, these, once you get good at these, they go fast, and they're kind of open game to be on an exam, because they're, once you do it 200 times, and then look at the entire system. You always look at the entire system when you get it laid out like this. This one, we'd have to break it up into its two pieces. I like looking at it this way. And then you just take the sum of the forces in the x direction is M1 plus M2 times A, and then start writing in the forces and cancel them out, and then pick a mass, solve, and then you can solve for A. So right here is where you solve for A. And then pick a mass, solve for T. What do we mean by that? When you pick the mass, you go, oh, okay, let's pick let's pick M2. M2G, which is given, we can figure that out. You know what that is. And then you're trying to find T. But you also know that A, that it's accelerating that way. So the sum of the forces, the x direction, is equal to M2 times A, which is equal to minus T plus M2 times G. And you can solve it that way. All right? So there you go. Have fun with them. If you can do those without any trouble, and you can look at the examples in the book, you got chapter 4 smoked. But remember, we still got chapter 5 and 6 to do. 5 is a little easier. We'll see if we get through 5. We'll probably at least get the introduction to 6. Because 6 fits right into conservation of momentum. Piece of cake.